you have your sewer connections. This is a 3-inch dump pipe, so this is your main sewer line. And then over here you have your 2 waste gates. You have a gray and a black, and they're different colors for a certain reason. The black is going to be your feces, fecal matter, or the crap tank. And then your gray is going to be dirty dishwater and shower water. Okay. When you're camping, you're going to remember to keep these closed, let the tanks fill up, let everything kind of break down and get moist. And then you're going to pull your black first, so all your nasty comes running out. And then you'll close this, and then you'll pull the gray, which is your gray water is cleaner water, and then that'll clean out the pipe, so you're not messing with your feces. Okay. A couple things you need to know: don't use Angel Soft, Charmin, or any house grade toilet paper. You're going to use a RV grade toilet paper. It breaks down on contact with water, so you don't have clogs and stuff like that. Don't use Ajax or Ridex. There are all of these things I'm talking about. You can find at your local RV dealer. And then they have their own cleaner for the black tanks. It's going to break down all the stuff inside. So just don't use home grade cleaners.